Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the flying furniture guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I want to talk to you about how to remove a drill bit from wood. I've got a scrap piece of wood here, and let's say that you have to drill with a small drill bit, and these are very particular. You must be perpendicular for the most part. What happens if you're not very careful and particular with your these very small drill bits is that they can snap very easily. There's a couple of different ways. They say that you can use what's called a screw removal tool or a screw extractor, and basically you're supposed to drill another hole back down through this and then use another tool to reverse this out. They almost never work. The problem is that a drill bit is hardened steel, and that it's going to be very difficult to drill a hole into that steel to put another tool inside that to reverse it out. But what I did find, I know that there's other companies, but Woodworkers Supply has a great tool there, and it's called an extractor. Basically, this is a hollow drill bit. You're going to put this in your drill like you normally would. Okay. Now, there's a real key point here when you're using the screw extractor. You can't touch the screw or the drill bit, or these will shatter. They'll just shatter right off. You must have your drill on reverse in order for this to work properly. You want to be right over the top of it, and you want to be exactly perpendicular to the broken screw or drill bit that we're working on here. You want to start very slowly. You want to make sure that you hold, and you want to make sure you start exceedingly slow. Remove the pulp fibers that get stuck. Check to make sure that you're in the proper location, and then continue. Okay, what happens is that it cores the wood right out. I'm going to show you this real quick. It cores the hole right on through. Okay, pulls that wood right on out of there. At this point, you can grab a pair of pliers or needle nose. You work right in there, pull that drill bit right on out of there. Now at this point, you can use a plug from the old wood, or you can take a dowel, put some glue in there, seat it properly, and cut it off, and then you'll be able to use that same area for another screw later on after the glue dries and the dowel's hardened. This is Todd Langwell, the flying furniture guy from R&D Woodshop, and this is how to remove a drill bit from wood.